handsome. Okay, let's read The Three Little Pigs. This is the story.
This is a story about three little piggies.
And the big wolf.
And the big wolf. And the next day,
the three little pigs lived in a house at the bottom of a hill.
In the bottom of the hill.
And the big wolf
lived
in a house
at the top of the hill.
He lived alone. One day, Mother said,
the mother said, "Boys, it's time for you to go on your own way."
Very good.
And
yes, it is time. So the three bless you. So the three little pigs packed their bags and they left the house at the bottom of the hill. Goodbye
now.
Very good.
Don't forget, watch out for the wolves.
Oh,
said the piggy. I'll go over there and build my house, said number one. And I'll go over there and build my house right there. And, said number two. Alright, I'll build my house over here, said number three. So he built the house of straw.
The first little pig built his house of
straw, and
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3, snip snap, his house was done. I don't want to work all day. I want to see it was not a strong house, but that's okay. I don't want to work all day. I want to sing and play and rest.
And he did.
And so what he did, but someone is watching from the hill. He made the kind of the house.
And the second little pig built his house of
sticks.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. Snip, snap, zip, snap. His house was done. I don't want to work all day. I want to sing and play. So what she did? But someone is watching from the hill. He made a floor.
And the third little pig built his house of
bricks.
Very good. And now this little pig worked hard. He made a floor of wood.
He made a floor of wood. He made a door.
Very good.
But someone is watching from the hill. I don't want to work all day. I want to sing and play and rest.
No, he built his house brick by brick. And he made a... He made... What did he make? He made a chimney. Okay. When it was done, it was a good house. And
a strong house.
Very good. Now I have time.
I have time to rest and play and sing. And so what she did. But someone is watching from the hill.
Very good.
And the next day, someone came down the hill. The piggy, he went to the house.
The big wolf.
He looked at the window.
He went to the house of straw. And he knocked on the door.
Little piggy, let me come in. He looked at the window. No, not but how much attention. Wolf, I'll huff, and I'll blow your house in, said the wolf.
Yeah, very good.
So he began to...
He ran to his brother's house of
sticks. Help, the wolf is coming, said the piggy. First piggy. And he went to the door. He banged on the door and knocked on the door. Little piggies, let me come in, said the wolf. I'm sheep, said the wolf. He can see ice up his skin. Well, up. No, not by the hell, my chin. Well, off and I'll blow you out, said the wolf. And so he huffed and he huffed and he blew the house of sticks right down.
Very good.
And he ran to his brother's houses of bricks.
Very good.
Help, the wolf is coming, said the first little pig. He went to the house of bricks and locked the door. He wanted to get inside the house. Little pigs, let me come in, said the wolf. No, not by the hell, my chin, said the pig. First piggy.
Third.
Third piggy. And a huff and a blow you out, said the wolf.
Very good.
Don't worry, said the first piggy. The wolf can't blow this house down. You can't blow this house down, said the piggy. Go to the wolf. And go ahead and blow. We're not afraid of a wolf, he said. So the wolf began howling, and the wolf began. He huffed and he huffed, and he puffed and he huffed.
He huffed and he puffed.
And he huffed and he puffed. And he huffed and he puffed. And he huffed and he huffed.
And his face?
His face got red. His ears got blue. His eyes began to water. But he could not blow the house of bricks right down. He was mad. He gotta go get those piggies. Oh, I know, he said. I'll go up to go slide down the chimney.
Okay.
And
the three little
pigs lived. And
heard him on the roof.
Heard on the roof. He's gonna slide down the chimney, said. Flop, get him.
The pig number 3.
The pig number 3.
Quick,
said, quick,
get a pot of hot water.
Cup hot water, he said the pig. He fell. Plop. He fell on a can of hot water. Ouch! Help! Cried the wolf.
He jumped.
Me, hot water. He jumped over.
He jumped up.
He jumped up and ran out of the house. He couldn't stop. He ran to the house. And
he never came down the hill again.
He was not a bad wolf. He was still big, but he was not a bad wolf no more. He was a good wolf now with the bunch of the 3 little pigs. Who was afraid of a big bad wolf? Cha la 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 la.
Good job, Nick.